Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of removing a Facebook page from your laptop. Whether you're no longer using the page or just want to clean up your Facebook profile, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook website. First, open your preferred web browser and go to www.facebook.com. Log in if you haven't already. Step 2. Access your Facebook page. Once Facebook is opened, click on the top right profile button. Then click on your profile. Step 3. Page settings. Then click on the settings button. Then click on privacy settings. Step 4. Facebook page information. Once you are on privacy settings, click on Facebook page information. Step 5. Deactivation or deletion. After this, swipe down and you will find deactivation or deletion. Then click on View. Step 6. Temporary or permanently delete. If you click on the first option, Facebook page will delete temporary, and if you will select the second option, Facebook will delete permanently. After selecting, click on Continue. Step 7. Enter your password. Facebook will now ask for your password. Enter your password and click on Continue. And there you have it. Deleting your Facebook page on laptop is very easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech videos. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.